This podcast is sponsored by Pooks.ai. Dive into a revolutionary reading experience with personalized ebooks and audiobooks, tailored just for you. Discover your next favorite book at Pooks.ai for free. That's POOKS.ai.
Managing cognitive load in the workplace for better productivity and learning. Learn how managing cognitive load at work improves focus, enhances personal learning, and boosts productivity with simple strategies and smart tools. Managing cognitive load in the workplace, why it matters more than you think. Hey there, I wanted to chat with you about something that's been on my mind lately, cognitive load management at work. You know, how much mental effort we're juggling during a typical workday and why it can sometimes feel like our brains are about to explode. As someone who's spent a lot of time studying education and learning strategies, this topic fascinates me, especially as more companies are realizing that managing cognitive load isn't just a nice to have, but a real work productivity booster. So, what exactly is cognitive load? In simple terms, it's the total amount of mental effort being used in our working memory. There are different types of loads to think about. Intrinsic load, which comes from the task complexity itself, extraneous load, which is unnecessary mental effort caused by poor design or distractions, and germane load, which is the mental effort used to actually learn or understand something. Imagine you're working on a huge project. You have to keep track of emails, deadlines, meetings, and also learn how to use a new software. All these demands can overload your working memory, causing burnout, mistakes, and just plain frustration. This is where cognitive load management comes into play. Why should you care? Well, from an education expert's perspective, managing cognitive load is key to personal learning and effective work performance. When your brain isn't overwhelmed, it can actually be more creative and efficient. How can workplaces do this? It starts with understanding that not all cognitive tasks are created equal. Businesses often throw info at their teams without considering how it's absorbed. Structuring info into manageable chunks, simplifying communication, and creating focused periods of work without interruptions are all critical. Tech tools to the rescue. We're seeing AI in education and workplace training become game changers here. Through AI personalized learning, training programs are tailoring material to the individual learner's pace and knowledge level, reducing unnecessary strain. Creating a personal learning environment also helps. When employees curate their own resources, think of it as crafting a customized learning space. They can engage with info on their terms. This approach supports better retention and application back in the workplace. Here's a practical tip. Try breaking your workday into chunks dedicated to only one task at a time, with small breaks in between. This method is backed by research on focused attention and reducing cognitive overload. Also, avoid multitasking like it's the plague, because it actually increases cognitive load and lowers efficiency. Now, something cool I've come across is this tool called Pooks.ai. It's not directly about cognitive load management, but it helps you create personalized books from all your saved articles and notes. This means you can build your own personalized education material or personal learning environment without spending hours searching for info. Imagine having your own custom book tailored to exactly what you need to learn or review at work. Pretty neat, right? So, if you're looking to boost your productivity and reduce mental fatigue, managing your cognitive load is a great place to start. And tools like Pooks.ai can support your personal learning journey by organizing knowledge in a way that's digestible and personalized. If you're curious and want to make your own customized knowledge book easily, go check out Pooks.ai and create your personalized book. Now for free. It's an awesome way to keep your learning organized and tailored just for you. Anyway, I hope this shed some light on why your brain matters as much as your workload. Managing how much mental effort you put in each day is not only smart, it's essential. Catch you later.